Assalamu alaikum pyare Hazur.
Wa alaikum assalam.
My name is Ansa Farhan Arshad and I am from Northeast region. My question is, did the promised Messiah predict that a virus or plague would happen in the future, such as the current pandemic we are in?
You see, it was prophesied by the Prophet Messiah ﷺ that Allah Ta'ala has told him that there will be an outbreak of plague during his lifetime. And that happened. And apart from that, he has said that world will have to face calamities in future. You will have to pass through. And you will face them. That can be in the form of, in the shape of pandemics, outbreak of pandemics, or earthquakes, or any other type of problem which people will have to face. So he precisely did not say that after some time there will be an outbreak of or a pandemic like COVID. But he said that if people did not realize their duties towards Allah, and if did not realize their duty towards their fellow being, and if they did not remember what is the purpose of their coming into this world, then they will have to face some hardships in future. Right? So we cannot say that he precisely said that this will happen at this time. But he said that you will have to pass through some hardships in future because of your deeds. Right? Okay.
Jazakallah pyare Hazur.